Attorney Dannielle Simms. So I often get phone calls from potential clients who are looking to do a divorce and they're still living together with their spouse. So are they able to do that during the divorce case?
They can. I mean, let's call it what it is. Divorces, you generally don't want to be with the person that you are married to, right? And so you'll find a lot of situations where people are like, get that person out of my house. If you do have parties that are able to be amicable while the divorce is pending and they really just want to divide their assets and or make agreements when it comes down to custody, but they're okay residing together while the process is going on, that's fine. I mean, we are in a look at times right now. It's not easy to be able to afford to maintain two households. And sometimes you have people that truly need double income while they're trying to decide their future. Now, when it comes down to it, though, what you often have are people that cannot reside together because the relationship is just broken. A lot of times, courts will consider, especially if you have children, courts will consider who gets custody of those children while the case is pending. And courts do not like to displace children. Courts do not like to disrupt the lives of kids based on the actions of adults. So, oftentimes, if one person has custody of the children, that's the person that's going to stay in the marital home just so the kids don't get displaced. They're also, going to look at things like, do you have the ability to maintain the bills on the house? If you do or do not, that could be a determination whether or not you stay in the home. You also have family violence. If there's family violence in the house, the perpetrator oftentimes can be kicked out of the home and maybe subject to paying the bills in that house. So it really just depends. But ultimately, at the end of the day, one of the things that you need to consider is, yes, you guys can agree to continue to stay together, but where those kids remain or who designates their primary residence is going to make a determination while the case is pending.